There's no day that goes by with no drama pama-Zimbabwean celebrities, whether vari kumusha or vari kudiaspora. Olinda Chapel, the rich aunt, haachada murume. Welcome back to your channel. Patinokupai fresh gossip rinotapira. So, the rich aunt posted on social media, hanzi handichade murume. After that, Tete deleted a post, but my screenshots anga atozara mumastreets Post yacho inoti, it comes with an extremely heavy and broken heart that I have to announce I'm walking away from my marriage. I have loved with my soul and I have forgiven so many things that are deemed unforgivable. I will not get into the details that has made me reach this decision, but I want you to know the decision has been a very difficult one, walking away from both my husband and my best friend. You fight for your marriage. You don't fight the person you want to stay married to, especially when you are the one in the wrong. I just can't anymore. Tytan is allegedly accused of cheating as the post had a broken heart and a message that said, if you are dating my husband, please keep him. This doesn't come as a shock, as the couple is dramatic and fear no divorce, as they had broken up before and reconciled around July 2022 pavakazoita muchacha paya. Many netizens feel like it's inevitable as Olinda is older and richer than the husband. So maybe he is having fun nevezera rake. The post has however been deleted. Maybe it's another minor conflict. Kotingati, please leave your comments down below and thank you for watching.